All right, let's talk about vision, purpose, mission, and values. This is the foundation of every business. Yet most people work in corporations without even knowing what their company represents or what it stands for. It's the companies that are the clearest with these foundational elements of their business that are able to build stronger cultures and more committed and loyal employees in the long run. And so, my friends, here's a little hint for y'all, okay? If you can get this down, if you can get your vision, your purpose, your mission, your values down packed, I promise you, the level and speed you'll be able to move at is going to be phenomenal, lightning. The reason why a lot of new business owners fail is because they're not clear on their vision. They're not connected to their purpose. Your job as a new business owner or entrepreneur is going to be to get other people as excited as you are about your vision. Your vision could literally be about you. It could be a personal brand. And therefore, you must find people who are just as excited about building your vision as you are. This is how famous artists like Maluma or Karol G, this is how they do it. They find people who are just as excited about their on-stage presence, their musical performances. So your purpose has to be your why, your North Star. And that needs to be extremely clear for yourself and for others. Your purpose is going to be the driving force of all the decisions that are made moving forward. This is why it is so important that you are extremely clear on your purpose. Actually, this is interesting. For personal brands, you'll find that purpose is much more prevalent. When it comes to larger corporations, you'll find that purpose can be intermingled with mission statements. I want to separate something here for you. A purpose statement is deeper than you. It's bigger than life. It's something that should live on forever and be a legacy that you live behind. A vision statement is where you see yourself being, where you see your business being of service to the world, how you see it making a difference. Your vision statement should be something that has not yet happened, that is an aspirational goal, an aspirational manifestation of what you desire. Whether it's reaching 1 billion people or you're Nike and you want to bring inspiration to every athlete in the world. Your vision has to be so big that it would be insane to actually accomplish it. That it would feel like out of this world, that mountains had to move for you to accomplish this vision. This is not a place to play small. Your vision should scare you. And if it doesn't, it's probably too small. Finally, your vision is showcasing where you are going in the next 5 to 10 years. Your vision will change, and it should change, because every 5 to 10 years, the world has changed. And so it is important to revisit your vision statement for your personal life and your business life as often as it requires to be adjusted. Next up, you're going to establish your values. Your values are a set of beliefs and philosophies that drive the business. This needs to be non-negotiables that you have established every single person that works for you or your organization must adopt and believe in. Your values set the tone for the culture of the environment that you're creating. And it sets the stage for your mission statement, which is where you are now and what you're committed to doing well now. One of the things that I learned big businesses do that I thought was amazing and fascinating is they set up their values to be the ranking score for how their employees get evaluated. They use their values to identify their best performers and who is the most aligned to be working in that company. They then allow their values and these rankings to determine their highest performers in the organization. You see, oftentimes what happens and what goes wrong with these statements is that people create them and then they leave them alone to collect dust and rest in peace. But the reality is, it's the implementation, it's the integration, it's the adoption of these statements that make them meaningful. And finally, there's your mission statement. It's what you do and who you do it for. A good mission statement usually includes your unique value proposition, what makes you different, who you're serving, is it athletes, is it moms, and how your company does it. Now, if you have all of these elements successfully created and implemented in your business, and they're integrated, you have set yourself up for a successful path where everybody you bring on board and every client you attract or work with will be in alignment or at least clear on where you want to be with your organization. Having your purpose, your North Star, your vision, where you're gonna be in 5 years, why you're creating your business, your values, what matters to you, what are your philosophies, what are your belief systems that you want to make sure are carried across your business. This is the promise you're making your customers. No matter what happens, every time you interact with us, you will receive reliability, trust, and safety. What are those values that you want to be guiding your business? And then, what is your mission? Who are you here to serve? What are you here to do? And what makes you different? Once you have all of these core messages identified and implemented, you have got the core foundational elements that every business needs to succeed. If you liked this video and you want to learn more, subscribe to my page. Follow me for the tea on business and alignment and what it takes to build a 7-figure business. Thank you all for watching.